Sunshine, sea breeze, and a whole lot of sparkle. This is Benidorm, like you've never seen it before. I'm hitting the streets in style, pink hair and all, because mobility can be bold, bright, and totally fabulous. Welcome to my world. Let's ride.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm down in the old town and Viandas, the sandwich place, is gone. You may remember if you've been in the old town walking past and it would have sandwiches in the window. Now personally, I never thought they looked the most appetising of sandwiches. Let me know if you ever tried them. A bucket of dillo. They were $6.90. They would have things stacked up in the window. I always saw flies on them, so to be quite honest, I've got to admit I never fancied them. But did you ever try it? Wonder what will go in there next. Been here for quite a while, mind. So I am surprised it's suddenly gone. Of course, you can go to the Little Britannia and you can get a Cornish pasty sausage roll or steak pie from $3.50 there, so you don't have to miss out. So thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like, hit share, hit the subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.